Hello and welcome to my channel. Businesses across the world have been hit by widespread disruptions to their Windows workstations stemming from a faulty update pushed out by cybersecurity company CrowdStrike. If you're new to this channel, I'm Bill Osolinski, a certified information systems security professional with 30 years of experience. CrowdStrike is actively working with customers impacted by a defect found in a single content update for Windows hosts. The company's CEO, George Kurtz, said in a statement, "Mac and Linux hosts are not impacted. This is not a security incident or cyber attack." The company, which acknowledged reports of blue screen of death on Windows hosts, further said it has identified the issue and a fix has been deployed for its Falcon sensor product, urging customers to refer to the support portal for the latest updates. For systems which have already been impacted by the problem, the mitigation instructions are: boot Windows in safe mode or Windows recovery environment. Navigate to the c:/windows/system32/drivers/CrowdStrike directory. Find the file name c-000000291*sys and delete it, and then restart the computer or server normally. It's also worth noting that the outage has also impacted Google Cloud Compute Engine, causing Windows virtual machines using CrowdStrike's csagent.sys to crash and go into an unexpected reboot state. After having automatically received a defective patch from CrowdStrike, Windows VMs crash and will not be able to reboot, it said. Windows VMs that are currently up and running should no longer be impacted. Microsoft Azure has also posted a similar update, stating it has received reports of successful recovery from some customers attempting multiple virtual machine restart operations on affected virtual machines, and that several reboots, as many as 15 have been reported, may be required. Amazon Web Services, for its part, said it has taken steps to mitigate the issue for as many Windows instances, Windows workplaces, and upstream applications as possible, recommending customers still affected by the issue to take action to restore connectivity. CrowdStrike is a top-tier extended detection and response product and is on everything from point of sale to ATMs, etc. Airlines, financial institutions, food and retail chains, hospitals, hotels, news organizations, railway networks, and telecom firms are among the many businesses affected. Shares of CrowdStrike have tanked 15% in U.S. pre-market trading. That's all for this presentation. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.